Ready to transform your Tableau dashboards from functional to fantastic? Let's learn how to flawlessly add images, boosting visual appeal and telling a more powerful story with your data in our #Tableau design journey. First, open Tableau desktop and navigate to the dashboard you're working on. Ensure the dashboard is in design mode. In the dashboard pane, look for the Objects section. Locate the image object, then click, drag, and drop it onto your dashboard where you want the image to appear. A dialog box will appear inviting you to select your image. Click on the Choose Image button to start this process. This will open your File Explorer. Browse your computer to locate the desired image file. Select the image, then click Open. Once the image is successfully imported, it appears on your dashboard. Now, adjust its display to make sure it aligns. This means you can select the Fit Image drop-down to select from options. You can resize the image to fit your dashboard layout. Click and drag the sizing handles around the image object to either increase or decrease the size of the image. With that, you have now successfully added an image to your Tableau dashboard, making it more engaging and informative. You've just enhanced your dashboard with a simple, yet effective, technique. This allows you to build storytelling and branding within your dashboards. Don't forget to like and subscribe.